How to make chicken curry. Ingredients: 2 tablespoons sunflower oil, 1 onion, thinly sliced, 2 garlic cloves, crushed, thumb-sized piece ginger, grated, 6 chicken thighs, boneless and skinless, 3 tablespoons medium spice paste, tikka works well, 400 grams king chopped tomatoes, 100 grams full-fat Greek yogurt, 1 small bunch coriander, leaves chopped, 50 grams ground almonds. Step 1. Heat the oil in a flame-proof casserole dish or large frying pan over a medium heat. Step 2. Add the onion and a generous pinch of salt and fry for 8-10 minutes, or until the onion has turned golden brown and sticky. Step 3. Add the garlic and ginger. Cook for an extra minute. Step 4. Chop the chicken into chunky 3 cm pieces. Add to the pan and fry for 5 minutes before stirring through the spice paste and tomatoes, along with 250 milliliters water. Step 5. Bring to the boil. Lower to a simmer and cook on a gentle heat uncovered for 25-30 minutes or until rich and slightly reduced. Step 6. Stir through the yogurt, coriander and ground almonds. Season and serve with warm naan or basmati rice. Link in the description. Like and subscribe.